friends is Inspiring Iris, inspiring one awesome kid at a time. I'm here to help you be your best self. So stay tuned for some helpful tips, and let's jump right into this week's message. It's never good to fight with people, especially if that person's a friend, a family member, or anyone really. You know, when you fight someone, it takes away from your happiness. It also makes the other person feel bad too. When people fight, they forget who they really are. Remember, you are a very special human being. You are here to live up to your greatest potential. That means be your best self. And fighting with someone prevents you from doing that. Really now? Do you really want to miss out on being the best you can be? I don't think so. So, here's some quick tips to help you get back on track. Number 1, pick up the phone. 2, call the person and tell them you're sorry. This could be in person too. 3, don't text them. It won't be genuine. 4, ask for their forgiveness. See? It really is that easy. If you do it in person, make sure you shake their hand or give them a hug. I'm positive you'll feel 100% better. If you like my videos, consider clicking like or subscribe. And make sure to leave a comment down below. And may the rest of your life be the best of your life. See you later!